Okay, here is the old video shop up on just 20. This is an old video. Shop up for the shop up on just 20. Which I'm opening on just 26. Here's our test 20. A brand new test 20. Wood right here. Where's struggle on its outfit. And it has the US fan motor on it. It's not running. It has a motorcycle combustor and a steam pump. And that is from June of 2020 and it's 2 ton. I see the hose right there. Down right there too. Now there's our neighbor's gas station right there. With the Olga outfits. So look at the sky and the sun. It is a hot day today, yeah. Sunny day. So all videos shot back for 2020. It's right there. It's right there, yeah. We also have our new swing right here, as you can see. I need to do something, but yeah. I'm masking right here. Down here. An open test for me. Okay, I'm back now. Here I am. Let's go see on our swing. And over there is our neighbor's swing. Yeah. Oh, and there's actually a train coming over there. A train, yeah. That train passed near us, yeah. And that train is super noisy. It's because the sounds out here. Yep, it's 4 a.m. now. It's 4 in the morning. This decided to take this video on top 20 and I'll put on top 26. Yep. And I got not sure our street name because this neighborhood. Yeah. Can't show this video an address for stranger reasons. Yeah. This right here is our swing. Awesome, eh? See, I know this is property. And this one here is a walk pad, which you can see. We have the walk pad, yeah. I can see it right there. Walk pad. Oh, and I had a trim whistle. You can see these right here are the steps. Yeah. Now we're gonna try to close this gate. Yeah, this is the old video from this is the old video from June of 2020. So the quality might be bad. I guess that's the course again. And right there you can see that's the walk. Yeah. For gate. This is actually a brand new deck. Yeah, well, we still have the old deck here, but that was the new deck. There's some chalk here, as you can see. And right over there is this the remote holding it was rain. And oh, I know what this is. What the spin? Oh, let's try again. I can do better this time. Well, okay. I think that right there is a dead rat. But yeah, it's disgusting. Ew, yeah. There's something right here. You can see it. The person did the club box. And this way here is our fireplace. There's a bump right there. Because it's hot now, it's June. That's funny. Smoke up, yeah. And this is our boat right here. We use it for kayaking and the waking house over there, yeah. And my place getting longer, so I'm back out storage, but I will end it soon. Yeah. I think I have to end it soon. There's we'll go inside the house. And my poor daddy's in there. That's our outdoor right. Back, deck right. So the neighbors right there. But yeah, this is again, if we don't see it. Anyways, thanks for watching.